Yo, what's going on, everyone? It's V8 back again. I just want to show you what the line lock looks like when it's hooked up. There's the light that shows you it's been activated. There's the button on the front of the shifter handle. When they installed it, they actually put it down here, and I didn't like that. And on my other Jeep, it's right where it is here, so kind of fixed that. You know, I don't want to reach down there. I want to have my hand on the shifter, middle finger on the button. You know what I'm saying? It's just easier. And and then as far as under the hood, here's the solenoid. And here's the way they plumbed it. It goes from here to the master cylinder. And then from the master cylinder, it goes to the ABS block. And then from there, it goes to the front brake lines. And that's pretty much it. I have a video about how it's plumbed and a little bit greater detail, but I'm just showing you what it looks like now that it's done. And I haven't tested it yet, but I'm about to. And I'll make another video for that burnout. But yeah, man, everything's really good right now. Been waiting a long time for this. And should be really fun. In an hour or two, I'll be picking up the 5.9 with another surprise. Probably know what it is. I mean, I just did it to this, so I had to do it to the other one. It's got something to do with this right here. But yeah, quick update again. And as for the camera, I tried out the HD is great, 4K, but as far as the 60 frames per second, it was just moving too fast. It kind of looked like shit, actually, so I'm using 30 frames per second. 24 is too slow and 60 is too fast, so 30 is just perfect. So I'm trying to give you guys the best content possible, and that's what you can expect from the kid. So there you go. Hurst line lock installed in the Heads and Cam 5.2. Peace to everyone. Later.